Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by securing your data and workspace. You back up or create a full image so you can roll back if needed. Once done, gather tools: PH0 screwdriver, anti-static strap, SATA/USB adapter, and the new SSD. Power off, unplug the PC, press the power button for several seconds to discharge capacitors, then open the case. Make sure to ground yourself to prevent ESD damage. This step is quick, but protects components and lets you start the swap safely. You now perform the core replacement. If you cloned, connect the new SSD externally and clone the system. Verify the clone finished and files are readable. Once ready, open the bay, unscrew and unplug the old drive, handle it by the edges to avoid damage. Place the new SSD into the same slot or adapter, secure it with screws or bracket, and plug in SATA and power firmly. Make sure cables are routed for airflow. A loose connector can prevent booting, so check by hand. You finish by powering the system and entering BIOS or UEFI to set the new SSD as the primary boot device. Make sure SATA mode matches your previous setup, OSI versus RAID, and adjust secure boot if needed. Boot into the OS, verify capacity, run smart and a quick benchmark, and install any firmware or driver updates. Once satisfied, wipe or repurpose the old drive. If the system won't detect the SSD, check cable seating, BIOS settings, and try a different.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.